Morning. Let's get Gustavo in his natural habitat. Ay, qué bonita.
Am I ready?
Wow.
Welcome to puppy yoga.
I don't know what to do with my hair.
My sexy pink Power Ranger. We're like,
I don't punch like that. Hoo hoo hoo.
yeah.
What the heck?
We're like, yeah.
Good morning.
Toronto.
Well, no, Miami.
Shit. Sorry, Miami.
Welcome back. If you are new here,
Press the post notification button.
no, you're Gustavo.
You gotta do that part.
No.
Oh, I'm Gustavo, right? I'm Gustavo.
I'm Patricia.
And we are
The Tasmanian duo.
Oh, shit.
My
See,
God.
that's what happens when you don't record, baby. When you record, you almost die. And we are going to puppy yoga.
Hit the Tasmanian button, hit the bell button, turn on your
Post notification.
and
Join the mob.
yeah. Guys, you know he just wiped his snow on the tree. We can see Pascal's butt from here. Look. Can you see? It's Pascal's butt. But we love you, Caitlyn. Thank you so much for always inviting us. For always inviting us to puppy yoga, no matter what city we're in.
I don't know where the entrance is.
Gustavo found it. It's awesome having a personal GPS.
Yeah. Guided by the digital GPS.
Love you.
Love you. I'm actually an instructor tonight.
You're the instructor?
Mm-hmm.
What's the first thing you're gonna do?
Alright. Take off your pants.
Oh no, here we go.
Here. Yeah.
Well, November 4th is the year.
Yeah, because that's for you. That's when we started. 'Cause I worked in this, yeah, you know,
Oh my God.
we might want to put this on that ledge.
You're so cute. I wanna...
There you go. All right. Bring your right hand onto the. Inhale, center, switch sides.
I think you might have stepped on it too.
This one, this one.
Hi. Oh, hello. You're so cute.
Inhale, slowly roll up. Bring the sole of the right. Exhale, fold.
Oh, hi. You're so cute. Oh my goodness, you wanna come home with me?
Our final station is Miami, so it's kind of
He's got my toe.
Yeah. No, what?
You're a feisty little one. Hello. Oh my goodness.
Sunday with the football games, because they'll have all the games and stuff.
True. Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking. Unless there's no floor.
I leave you alone for 5 minutes.
Yeah. You brought me here.
Does that have alcohol in it?
Yeah, I had puppies in it.
This one drinks, take as many as you want.
5 minutes. Look at this.
When someone says take as much as you want, what are you supposed to do?
Bottomless mimosas?
Yeah.
At friggin' 10 in the morning?
Yeah, why not? That's when you're supposed to happen.
Look how well we're treated. Okay, 2 mimosas in and this guy's freaking slapped.
Oh, we came for puppies. In case of fire, elevators
What are you reading in
are
Spanish?
out of service.
Cerveza.
Cerveza!
Beer. That's beer in Spanish.
Cerveza.
Oh my god.
Cerveza.
Look how well we're treated. Look how
So
well
well.
we're treated.
No. They were
Freaking love,
like, we're trying to get rid of them. Take them off.
Que si no nos para los policías, we get a ticket for
I love you, thank you.
the no tie shoes.
I'm gonna get a ticket for not tying my shoe.
Yeah. I love you. Let's go.
Yeah! Serotonin!
Cero mala.
Serotonin! Love yoga!
Yeah.
We're just doing this in the middle street.
Who the fuck invented mimosas? That's what I want to know.
It's so hot in here! Oh, you're lit, alright.
No, I'm not.
And now you're gonna drive?
Yeah.
This is
I'm driving alright.
not a good idea. I'm blaming you, Caitlyn. This is all your fault.
Caitlyn. I drive this shit.
Guys, help me!
You hear this car?
Not you pretending to be a Ferrari.
This is a Ferrari. If you just close your eyes and use your imagination, you slam into the Tesla. Look at them.
Oh my goodness. Hello. Can we get out?
Wow, look, there's a whole fucking herd of them.
Oh my god, imagine this just being in your front lawn.
Right?
This is so beautiful. What
So the darker
heck?
ones are the women and the ones with colors are the men.
Wow.
And if you'll notice at some point, the men will actually open theirs to flash at the woman. Look, there's, oh my god, they're all over. It's like when you don't, when you like stop and you don't like keep walking, you start like,
This is so cool. Wow. Hi, Mr. Peacock. I want to see your feathers. Show me your peacock. Peacocking. Show me your peacock.
Come here.
No, something more voluptuous. It looks so cute. It's like a tiki bar.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it. Wow. It's a lot of boats. This looks amazing.
look at it. It's climbing so good.
Oh wow.
It's like
There
Spider-Man.
he goes. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. It's hard to see.
You see it?
There he is. Hey. Whoa, this one's cool.
Yeah, super cool.
It's hard to see him. He's got his butt in our faces.